Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and check Instagram messages without actually having that seen statement, right? So if you want to do so, first of all what you gotta do is, for example, let me open my Instagram app. So I'm here in my Instagram, right? So if I tap on my messages, so I've got message, so I've got this messages, right? So for example, I would like to see this message right here, right? So what I will do is, first of all, I will just disconnect my connection and I will turn on this airplane mode, and I will go back, wait a few seconds and tap on that particular message, and I'm done, right? Then I will go back and I will turn on my connection, turn off this airplane mode, and I will wait a few seconds. As you can see this, I have just checked this message, right? So for that person, if that person would check it, this will be actually seen. So for this person it will won't be able to. So if I turn off all of my internet connection and check all of the messages, nobody will be able to know that if I have seen that message or not, because it was actually, the internet was off, so Instagram didn't know if I did or not. So yes guys, you basically have to actually turn off your internet connection and check it like that. So yes guys, this is it. This is how you can simply do it. If you got more concerns, do let them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.